Attention photographers and content creators. Nikon is about to shake up the mirrorless camera world with its latest flagship, the Nikon ZX, rumored to be the fastest camera around. With lightning-fast continuous shooting, AI-powered autofocus, incredible low-light performance, and 8K video capabilities, this camera promises to take your photography and videography to an entirely new level. In today's video, we'll break down everything we know so far: the specs, rumored features, design upgrades, lens compatibility, and why the ZX could redefine the standard for high-speed, professional imaging. Stay tuned, because if speed and precision matter to you, this camera might just be a game-changer. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The photography world is abuzz with excitement as Nikon prepares to unveil its latest flagship, the Nikon ZX, a camera that is already being touted as one of the fastest and most capable imaging tools on the market. And the big question that every professional photographer, enthusiast, and content creator is asking is whether the ZX truly lives up to the hype, offering unparalleled speed, precision, and performance that could redefine the standard for high-end cameras, building on the legacy of Nikon Z series, which has consistently impressed with its full-frame mirrorless technology, advanced autofocus systems, and exceptional image quality. The ZX is rumored to integrate a next-generation sensor design to deliver lightning-fast readout speeds, ultra-high continuous shooting rates, and remarkable low-light performance, ensuring that every decisive moment, whether in sports, wildlife, or fast-paced street photography, can be captured with incredible clarity and minimal lag. Alongside its speed, the ZX is expected to feature Nikon's most advanced autofocus engine yet, leveraging AI-driven subject recognition, eye and face detection, and predictive tracking that allows photographers to focus entirely on composition and creativity rather than worrying about missed shots, making it a game-changer for both professional assignments and high-speed event coverage. Videographers are also in for a treat, as leaks and insider reports suggest the ZX will offer cutting-edge video capabilities, including 8K recording, high frame rate slow-motion capture, and advanced in-body stabilization, which will provide cinematic quality footage even in handheld shooting scenarios, thus appealing to hybrid shooters who demand both top-tier stills and professional-grade video from a single device. Ergonomics and usability are also central to the ZX design, with Nikon reportedly reworking the body for optimal grip, balance, and intuitive controls, while maintaining durability and weather sealing suitable for rugged outdoor conditions, ensuring that photographers can comfortably shoot for hours without fatigue or concern for environmental hazards, connectivity, and workflow. Enhancements are expected to be significant, with high-speed Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C integration enabling rapid transfer of large RAW files, remote shooting, and seamless connection with tethered workflows or cloud-based editing platforms, making the ZX not only a powerful camera but also an efficient tool for professional production pipelines. As the release date approaches, comparisons with rival models from Canon, Sony, and Panasonic are inevitable, especially in terms of continuous shooting speeds, buffer performance, and autofocus reliability under challenging conditions, and early test leaks suggest that the ZX may not only match but surpass many current top-tier cameras in key performance metrics, potentially setting a new benchmark for speed and responsiveness in the mirrorless market. The camera is also rumored to include an enhanced EVF with high refresh rates, a fully articulating touchscreen for vlogging and